Hello, Chris Boy Installation Specialist. Right, today we're doing an oil installation. There's nothing at the moment. Customer's got at the moment is a back boiler solid fuel. So basically just throw logs on a fire and it gives them central heating and hot water. So what we're going to do, we're fitting a oil tank. We've got to do everything from scratch. We have to do a concrete base for the oil tank to sit on because it's a lot of weight once the oil goes in. So we're going to do a concrete base, cemented sit here. We've got our ton of ballast in the van. We're going to make up our base on this ground, and the base is going to be filled with concrete, and we're going to have a 300mm overlap for the tank to sit on. So the tank will be sitting about here, and we're going to have 300mm overlap each side, and that's just a regulation requirement, and that's it really. So yeah, we shall crack on. Thank you very much. Hello, Chris Board Installation Specialist. Right, okay then. So our base is now dry. We've got our oil line coming up through the screed, so it doesn't come up over here. It comes up through the actual concrete, so no one's going to knock it or anything like that. We're going to put our tank here with a nice 300mm overlap as per regulations. And yeah, so I'll show you when the tank is actually situated on the base. Okay then, this is the oil tank installation. Obviously with our concrete base that we've done, this is where we brought the oil line up through the concrete base, so just a neater job. With isolation and filter on there, and that goes 450mm under the ground, up through this concrete here, up here with a filter, fire safety valve into the boiler. And here's the boiler here, Worcester combination boiler, external obviously. And to take the burnt oil away from the door in the house, we put a flue management kit with a couple of extensions to take that right up. As you can see, that's pluming, nice and efficient, that boiler. And if you like to come inside, put all new radiators and pipe work in there, all with thermostatic radiator control each individual radiator. We put the Hive smart control here, so the customers can obviously control their heating wherever they are on their smartphone. And then obviously with our pipes, because it's an external boiler, we've got to bring hot, cold and heating pipes down with our trusted Worcester filter. So we brought them down and through into the boiler, nice and neat, all made good. And that's it really. So yeah, very happy customer, full heating system completed. And we'll pass the paperwork and guarantee over to the customer. Thank you.